This is our time to go inward, self-discovery, observing our own minds, our emotions, our feelings, how they are creating problems in our lives, and same time how those thoughts and feelings bring happiness into our lives. Therefore, this moment, all other activities you are doing, for this hour, leave everything behind. Find a place to sit, be comfortable, without any distractions. Let's find some time to meditate. Our lives, our minds are very busy with external activities happening in the world. We are distracted. Do you like this distraction? Ask those questions. This is the way you want to live your life, with distractive mind, or you are wishing to have some peaceful experiences, inner contentment into your life. If that is your wish, this is what we all have to focus. Going inward, understanding our own minds, all the problems we created in our lives, and take the responsibility for our problems, and finding answers for all the problems we created in our lives. That is what we call meditation practice. Looking for answers for our own problems we created by ourselves. Let's have some loving intentions for establishing our foundation for our practice. Look at yourself lovingly and respectfully. See the opportunities of this life we all have every day. Instead of looking at all the negativities all the time, see the possibilities we all have each moment. If you are mindful enough, if your wisdom, prajna, if those qualities working well in your life, you can figure it out. That way you can touch, you can feel the Buddha mind, peaceful mind, content mind. Send your loving thoughts towards yourself, thinking, I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Think to yourself, come into the Blue Lotus Temple. People who are practiced with me around the country, around the world, how many times we can practice, we repeated these words, well, happy and peaceful. That is our mantra, that is our theme for our practice. These three words are not conditions. These are qualities. Therefore, when you say or when you practice with these three words, no barriers, no limits, no beginning, no end. Therefore, you never feel with this practice the boredom. You cannot say, I am so bored to practice loving kindness. If you feel that way, that means you are not practicing quality of loving awareness or loving kindness. Understanding this wisdom, please repeat into yourself, I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Our minds are very powerful, our intentions are very powerful. Right now, here in this world, in this country, lots of anger, lots of disappointments, hurts, worries, anxieties. There is a big fire in the world, which means in our minds. World is not on fire, but our minds are on fire. So, if you want to stop this fire, we have to go opposite. We have to bring water into the fire. Practicing loving kindness is bringing coolness into this problem. Therefore, how many years we are practicing this loving kindness? My new theme now, choose loving kindness for our lives. That is our new hashtag, choose loving kindness. Let's build this concept in our minds and hearts, and then let's take it to the world and build our loving kindness army. You are the leader of this practice. We all are leaders, not just one person. I have responsibility. Continue with this loving kindness, choosing loving kindness. You have the same responsibility to practice it and take into the world. Please come, please join me. Let's go inward. Let's choose loving kindness. Not choosing anger, not choosing frustration, not choosing disappointment, not choosing wrath, not choosing revenge. That means you are not supporting to the world. Choosing loving kindness is the only remedy to stop this fire, stop this distraction in the world. Therefore, your responsibility, it is not a simple thing. Your practice is not a simple act. It is very powerful. I am a believer. Choosing this loving kindness, we can heal our own minds and we can heal the world. I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. After you repeat those 3 words to yourself, please be in that mental state. That is a very powerful mental state. Then you become wordless, but you become loving kindness. No separation, no discrimination, no condemnation, respect, accept, and let go. This practice is boundless, limitless, bottomless, unconditional practice. I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards your family. It is easier for you to practice with small groups. Therefore, we have to break it down. So, group by group, we can practice this loving kindness, starting from you. Now, your family, may all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Think of them individually, by names. May all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Can you imagine them? They are sitting in front of you. Smiling to you. You are smiling to them. You are hugging them. You are telling them, no matter what, I truly love you. I care about you. May all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. We all are brothers and sisters in one large family. Send your loving thoughts towards whole world. Start from this country. All the people here in this country, be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards whole world. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Repeating these words, our intention, to build our intention in our minds. Our intentions are very powerful. When you keep repeating them, you are building that powerful intention. Then one day, that powerful intention become an action. Having loving motivation towards yourself and the world, now send your loving, now slowly turn your attention to your breath, which means your life. Focus on your natural, ordinary breaths. You are not forcing your breath. Gentle way you feel your in-breath going through your nostrils. Then you can experience your out-breath. Gentle way it is going out. Just be aware about it. If you are distracted, bring your attention back to the breath or present moment. How wonderful we all have this time to look within. This current moment, right now, always our minds are going outward. All the matters here in this country, lots of distractions. Be grateful among those distractions happening all over the world right now. You can sit and practice meditation. How beautiful it is. You are so fortunate to have this noble friendship as a community, practicing together, building that loving awareness instead of prevailing anger and hatred. Our lives are not balanced. Our minds are in balance. With your wisdom practice, if you are aware of your surrounding, your society, your country, our world where we live, we can see everything and everybody as imbalanced lifestyles. Lots of anger, lots of hatred, lots of challenges, lots of frustration in our lives. When you experience those things, those negative activities rising in your mind, what you are doing with them. Nature of our minds, we are keep reacting to them negatively. We are judging them, we are condemning them, then we are worrying about them, then we are creating and bringing more pain and suffering into our lives. As a person who is trying to practice meditation, what should be your behavior, your responsibility for these burning matters? First thing, can you separate yourself from these negativities, but you are not run away from it? Because you cannot. Why? You cannot because you are part of it. You are connected somehow. We cannot walk away from it, but you can separate your mind from that difficulty. Take yourself out from the situation. Learn how to look at it lovingly and mindfully. Always so many different kind of big waves come into our lives. It is like an ocean, vast, rolling waves, very powerful. When we are playing in water, in ocean, when a big wave comes, how you are going to balance your body to settle down and enjoy and keep yourself balanced with that wave. When a big wave coming from distance, when we are playing in the ocean, what you do first? You are looking at that wave, where it is coming towards you, the nature of the wave, nature of how it is rolling towards you. You are making your best judgment to recognize, understand the strength and power of the wave. Then wave hit into your body, you are adjusting accordingly. Then that wave passing by, then another one is coming and rolling towards you. Watching, being aware, you are adjusting to the situation and facing to the wave. However, you are shaking, you are drifting back and forth a little bit, but you know how to manage it. This current situation we are facing in this world is a big wave. Therefore, bring your awareness, watch and observe the nature of the wave. How is rolling, how is coming towards you, and adjust accordingly. Don't sink. That's what meditation does for you. We always expecting all the good things may happen in our lives. Good exists because of bad. When good comes, you are attaching to that good feeling, try to entertain it. When bad comes, you are rejecting it, you are pushing it away, you don't want it. I call the nature of human minds. We are always live in duality. Always we are drifting back and forth, good and bad, like and dislike. happy and unhappy. Are you okay with that? But I am not. It is exhausting, it is tiring, it is painful, it is disappointing, lots of distractions. Therefore, can you separate yourself from that duality? When good comes, just smile to good. Be with good. No need to attach to it. When bad comes, accept that bad, and respect it. Don't try to do like pushing it out. Just be with it. It will also change. In between these dualities, is it possible for you to stand tall without shaking, without bouncing? In the teaching of the Buddha, we call unshaken mind. That mind is not shaking for those dualities. This is very powerful mental state. Ask yourself a question, is it possible for me to live in that unshaken mind state? Can you be aware about all of your distraction and difficulties and problems? Can you find that middle ground? Find that holy ground. Can you be that holy person after that? Then you are becoming a holy person. Why? Your mind is not belong to that distractive world anymore, because you are above those distractions. You are wise, you are spiritually awakened, but still you are living in this world. You are not separated from the world. I think that has to be your ultimate goal of your practice. Unshaken mind. Now we are going to do some blessing and chanting for you all. So many people requested prayers and blessings. Our members of the community. I cannot make all the names here. All the names are in my mind who has prayers and blessing and healing. Please join us to do this blessing and healing for the world. And if you have any loved ones, think of them and send your healing and blessing and prayers towards them. භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස ඉතිපිසෝ භගවා අරහං සම්මා සම්බුද්ධෝ විඤ්ඤාචරණ සම්පන්නෝ සුගතෝ ලෝකවිදු අනුන්තරෝ පුරිස ධම්මසාරති සන්තා දේව මනුස්සානං බුද්ධෝ භගවාති ස්වාක්ඛාතෝ භගවතා ධම්මෝ සම්දිට්ඨිකෝ අකාලිකෝ ඒහිපස්සිකෝ ඕපනයිකෝ පංචන්තං වේදිතම්බෝ විඤ්ඤෝ ඉති සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ උජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුංගලා ඒස භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණේයෝ අනුන්තරං පුඤ්ඤං කෙත්තං ලෝකං සාති තේන සච්ච වංජේන දුක්ඛාූප සමින්තු තේන සච්ච වංජේන භයාූප සමින්තු තේන සච්ච වංජේන රෝගාූප සමින්තු තේ ආනීද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානි වරන්තලින්කේ සම්බේව භූතා සුමනා භවන්තු අතෝපි සංකච්ඡ සුනන්තු වාසිතං තස්මායි භූතා නිසාමේද සම්බේ මෙන්තං කරෝත මානුසියා පජාය විවාචරන්තෝ ච අරන්ති බලින් තස්මායි නිරංගත අපමන්තායං කිංචි විත්තං ඉදවා පුරන්වා සංගේසු ආයං රතනං පනීතං නනෝ සමන්නාති තථාගතේන ඉදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවන්ති හෝතු කයං විරාගං අමතං පනීතං යදජ්ජගා සක්්‍ය මුනි සමාහිතෝ නතේන ධම්මේන සමත්ති කිංචි ඉදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවන්ති හෝතු යං බුද්ධ සෙන්තෝ පරිවන්නයි සුචින් සමාධිමානන්තරිකඤ්ඤමාහු සමාධිනාතේන සමෝන විච්ඡති ධම්පි ධම්මේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවන්ති හෝතු යේ පුංගලා අට්ඨ සතම්ප සන්තා චන්තාරි ඒතානි යුගානි හොන්ති තේ දක්ඛිනේයා සුගත
තස්ස සාවකා ඒතේසු දින්නානි මහප්පලානි ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු සුම්පයුන්තා මනසා දල්ලේන නික්කාමිනෝ ගෝතම සාසනම් මීතේ පන්ති පන්තාමතං විගහ්‍ය ලද්දා මුදානිම්බුතින් බුංජමානාය දම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු යතින්ද කීලෝ පඩවින්සිතෝසියා චතුම්බි වාතේවි අසම්පකම්පියෝ තතුපමං සම්පුරිසං වදාමි යෝ ආර්ය සත්‍යානි අවෙච්ච පස්සති ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු ආර්ය සත්‍යානි විභාවයන්ති ගම්බීර පඤ්ඤේන සුදේසිතානි කිංචාපි තේ හොන්ති පුසබ්බ මන්තානතේ භවං අට්ඨමං ආදියන්ති දම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු සහවස්ස දස්සන සම්පදාය තයස්සු ධම්මා ජයිතා භවන්ති සංකාය දිට්ඨි විචිකිච්ඡිතං ච සීලම්බතං වාපි අදත්ති කිංචි චතුවපායේ ච විම්පමුන්තෝ චචාபிචානානි අබම්බෝ කාතුම් නිදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු කිංචාපි සෝකම්මං කරෝති පාපකං කායේන වාචා උදචේතසා වා අබම්බෝ සෝතංස පටිච්චාදාය අබම්බතාදිට්ඨ පදස්ස වුන්තා ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු අනප්පගුම්බේ අතාපුස්සිතංගේ ගිම්මාන මාසේ පඨමස්මින් ගිම්මේ තතුපමං ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි නිම්බාන ගාමින් පරමං හිතාය ඉදම්පි බුන්දේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු වරඤ්ඤෝ වරදෝ වරහරෝ අනුන්තරෝ ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි දම්පි බුන්දේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු කීනං පුරාණං නවන්නන්ති සම්භවං විරන්ත චිත්තා ආයතිකේ භවස්මින් තේ කීන බීජා අවිරුල්ලිච්ඡන්තා නිම්බන්ති දීරායතායම් පදීපෝ ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්තියෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානි වන්තරික්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං බුද්ධං බුද්ධං නමස්සාම සුවන්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලිංගේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං ධම්මං නමස්සාම සුවන්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලිංගේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවන්ති හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වංචේන දුක්ඛා උපසමෙන්තු තේතේන සච්ච වංචේන භයා උපසමෙන්තු තේතේන සච්ච වංචේන රෝගා උපසමෙන්තු තේ සම්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායු සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ දුක්ඛං පත්තාච නින්දුක්ඛා භයං පත්තාච නිම්බයා සෝකං පත්තාච නිස්සෝකා හොන්තු සම්බේ පිපානිනෝ ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මණ්ඨා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤං තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මණ්ඨා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤං තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මණ්ඨා දේවානාගා මහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤං තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරං රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති.
May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you very much.